Hey, Project Fam. Let's try again. Hey, Project Fam. Welcome back to another episode. Getting the car ready. I'm taking off my winter wheels and I'm putting on my summer wheels. So the black has my all-season tires and my summer wheels are silver. They have my so-called summer tires on them. So I'm using the two-jack method to get this car off the ground. Cool thing about this car is you can use one jack and it actually jacks up both sides because the car is so stiff. And I am trying not to scratch my wheel, so I have that blue tape on my socket. Not trying to scratch it. These wheels were just powder coated. If you've been following the channel, you remember when I had them done. So now that I have your attention, there's going to be a world star moment at some point in this video. I think I lost my balance. Okay, I did lose my balance. I decided not to take it out. I'll just kind of leave it in. For those who like to watch my videos, you'll enjoy it. So you look at the struts. That is just old. I'm not even sure if it works. I know it doesn't work actually. Maybe in my next video, I'll talk a little bit about the struts and how they work, how the springs work. Look at that baby. Ooh. Look at that. Oh. Oh, you talking about keeping the camera rolling. I did not do that on purpose. I thought about just deleting it, but we don't make perfect videos. Enjoy. I don't know. What I did was I pushed on the car and I pushed backwards and I lost my balance. That's what happened. Always start my studs by screwing them in before using the power tool. Crisscross applesauce pattern. Now moving up to the front. Let's get those tires off. Those are my winter tires or all-season tires with the black rims. Like the black Tims, the black Air Force Ones with the black rims. Look. That is another strut that needs to be repaired. And it looks like the OEM strut. It looks like the cylinder is barely used. It should be totally silver and not brown at the top, which tells me that that strut is not utilizing its full travel, even though it has a bump stop. That cover is just disintegrated. Yeah. So you saw the title already. The title is it's going in the shop, and it's going in the shop for a few things. One is going to be the suspension. Before I put it in the shop, I want to measure the height of the top of the tire and the height of the fender, height of the front bumper, because the suspension will either be the same height or it'll be dropped. And I think it's going to be dropped. How do I know? Because when I took it into the mechanic, the first thing he said was, "How low do you want it?" And my answer was, I need to be able to get in and out driveways. I don't know. We'll see. We will see. I'm only going to show one side. I really like those wheels. Let's torque these up. Torque the front, torque the back. I like these wheels. I love the rear wheels. I love a deep dish. You see the deep dish? How it comes right to the body of the car. It's the perfect diameter, not diameter, perfect width of wheels. So I'm gonna put these in a temporary spot for now, I have to figure out, hey, you know what do you guys do as far as storing wheels? I'm thinking of storing them on the wall, but that might be kind of heavy. I don't know just yet, but I need to get a better storage idea. So let me know what you do. I'm asking for comments now. So I put some blue tape over the air valve stem on one side. Basically, that's the driver's side. So I'll know when I put them on next year to put the blue tape on the driver's side. I always mark the driver's side, never mark the passenger side. So for now, I'll just kind of leave these right here until I can figure out a better spot.
And 1/8 to the fender, and about 26 to the tire.
That's driver rear.
26 and 3/4 to the fender, and about 25.5 to the tire.
So a little lower than the front.
Is this 7?
Yeah, that's
Wow,
7
that's
inches.
about 7 inches.
Like 7 inches is a
26
can of
and
soda.
5/8. And to the tire, I'm at about 25.25.
So 26 and 5/8 to the fender.
And remember, I'm right by this bag, so let's put the rear tire right by this bag.
Yeah.
Hey, bird. I'm about 26 and 3/4 to the fender, and 25.5 to the tire.
Nice.
Finally. I mean, here we are on the bridge.
All right. I'm driving my car to the repair shop now.
Taking a road trip. This is the last ride before it goes into the shop. Let's go.
Not pushing the car. Last thing I want to do is torpedo that engine on the way to the repair shop.
So many things just didn't go right. So I went to get my external microphone, only to find out that they're not charged. We're not charging in the case. So I put them in the case, set them on charge. I'm running a little bit late for my drop off. I wanted to use the camera on the bridge. I get on the bridge, press record, no power. Had to take it apart while driving, blah, blah, blah. But you know what? It wasn't meant to be. This is exactly what was supposed to happen. So let's move on to the next. How am I feeling right now? I'm a little anxious. Normally I do all the work to the car myself, but due to the nature of the work that needs to be done, the actual value of this car, the fact that I'm going to keep it, I am having this bit of major work done by a professional, not just a professional, but a racing shop. I mean, they race these cars, so they know how to put these cars together the right way for maximum performance. So based on that, I mean, I'm feeling a little good, but I'm still a little nervous because am I the only one with a stop sign? Looks like I am. But hopefully it'll be done by the weekend, and we'll hop in the car and take it for an extended ride this weekend and really test it out. I'll have new suspension. Oops, I'm gonna miss my turns. I'll have new suspension on. Like, I'm expecting an awesome ride. And frankly, with the amount that I'm spending, I don't have money for anything else.